Good morning all of you, to all my respected teachers and all my dear friends. Myself Konkona Root of class 9B. I am here to deliver a speech on Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was a renowned writer, thinker and saint, scholar and philosopher of contemporary India. He was born on 12th January 1863 in the city of Joy, Calcutta. His original name was Narendranath Dutta. His father Vishwanath Dutta was a learned man who had a profound knowledge of both English and Persian. He was a successful lawyer in the Supreme Court of Calcutta. His mother Bhuvaneshwari Devi was a pious lady who influenced him from his childhood. She played a major role in shaping his character. She first taught Naren English lesson and made him familiar with the Bengali alphabet. Young Naren studied in the Metropolitan Institution at Calcutta, and after passing the examination, he was graduated from an English college in Calcutta, and after passing the examination and father visited to study law. But after his father's death, his family financial position did not allow him to study further. He was an excellent singer. One day Ramakrishna Paramahansa happened to hear him singing a devotional song. He asked the young man to see him at the Kali temple. Kali temple. Ramakrishna Paramahansa said to Naren that as one can see him, he can see the God in the same form. As time passed, Naren had that wonderful experience in his life. He became the most dedicated disciple of the saint. His guru taught him the most important things in his life, that is, he can experience God by serving humanity. With his teaching, Naren later established the Ramakrishna Mission on 1st May 1897, which is also working in the present day. After becoming a monk, Naren was named as Swami Vivekananda. He visited America to participate in the World Religions held in Chicago in 1893. In his deep lecture, Swami Vivekananda explained to the world that God is one big sea and all the religions are like rivers ultimately merging in the sea. According to him, there should not be any dispute among the preachers of various religions. They worship God in separate forms or with different beliefs. Swami Vivekananda, many people joined his disciples who later joined the Ramakrishna Mission. Swami Vivekananda's teaching has left a great impact on Indian socio-cultural tradition. He was a great follower of Vedanta. His teaching focused on the themes of Vedas and Upanishads. Education provides a better standard of life to society. If the social life of the country will improve, then only the nation will flourish. So, Swami Vivekananda in his teaching has attached great significance to the role of education in building society. For him, every single soul is divine. The aim is to channelize the divinity within by controlling nature's external and internal nature. The divine soul of Swami Vivekananda left this world on 4th July 1902. My dear friends, his name was written in the golden letters in the history of India. He was a role model for not only the people of his country but to the whole world. But we shall make efforts to inculcate his qualities and make a better person.